Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain to you the assignment. We have an assignment I prepped for you. Would like to explain a little bit about the assignment. So over here I have prepped an assignment for you to practice further. Sorry guys, we're here. And the assignment is called Assignment 1. And with this assignment, I have 3 different sheets I would like you to complete, starting with the linear fit. So plot the linear demand curve when you have an elasticity equal to -3, price point and demand is 250 to 1,000. And find the point 2 using the elasticity and plot the curve. The second sheet has the power demand curve. And over here you have this point, 250 for price and 1,000 for demand, just like the previous example. Elasticity is -3, and I also added for you the A over here, and I named it for you, and I didn't name price for you here, but I think I named the price. I didn't name price for you here. So you probably need to name price by adding price here, and name demand by adding demand here, and name elasticity by adding elasticity here. Okay. And then I also had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points below the 250. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after the 250. Now don't subtract -10. Subtract like -40, and subtract here +40, so that you can get like, for example, we had 100 and we ended up with 50. So 250, if you wanna also have a general logic to doing this. So you say 250, right, over 2 is 125. So to reach to 125, basically you need to do 225 over 125. It is like 2 stages. It's 2, yeah, of course, because we subtract by 2. So you maybe -20, -20, -20, -20, -20, then 5, then you will subtract 100 if you subtract -20 on each step, or subtract 30, then you will subtract 150. So this is where I came with the 40, for example, or the 30. So you can just find out 125 is half point through. If I want to arrive at 125, then the difference is basically 125. If I subtract 125 divide 125, as I told you, by 5 steps, so each step will be equal to 25. So you subtract 20 or subtract 30. I subtracted 40, but maybe you can subtract 25. If you want to have like a very steady law of doing things, then this is probably a nice lead. So take the number here, the price point, take halfway through, divide it by 2, just exactly how we did the 100 and we arrived at 50. So we need to arrive at half point here extra. So this 125 should be divided over whatever steps that you have. If you have 5 steps, then put it over 5. If you have 6 steps down, 6 steps forward, then divide by 6, right? So you divide it by 5, and then you can decide to subtract by 25 if you want. In my solution, I subtracted by 40 because I don't want you to be like always by the law. Don't go always by the law. So I myself did it by 40, but if you want, you can do it by -25. I'm gonna do it, maybe I should have it in the solution both ways, -25 and -40. It doesn't matter really, as long as you're plotting the curve. But I want to plot as much span and scale as possible on the curve. Optimization problem. I want you to, based on this power fit, so copy whatever you've done here if you want and put it here, and based on work here, it's okay for me if you work here and add profit here. Totally fine. So based on the power fit results, find the profit maximizing price. So you need to find the price that maximizes profit using solver, not manually. You want to do it manually, do it to verify, but I want you to use solver. And the unit cost is 150. plot the profit curve after optimization. If you want to plot the profit curve along with the demand, okay. If you want to plot it alone because this is what I want. Make a comment on your observation between the difference of the results of the two power fit, which is what was the price here, and what did you find about the maximum price over here. So I want you to find out here, this is our actual price, and over here you will find the optimal price. Is the optimal price that you found less than the current price? Does that mean that we are overpricing and we are losing also opportunity on achieving higher profits, for example? So write such a comment if you find such findings. So this is all about the assignment. Good luck. It is a very interesting one. If you do it smoothly and easily, this means that you're already ready for the quiz in 1 or 2 weeks from now. Okay, best of luck. Take care. I'll see you in class on Tuesday.